Hello and welcome. You're listening to Simp Sons. Isn't that neat? Here's Judy and Oz.
It's America's Funniest Home Videos,
Oh,
the
yeah.
whole thing?
Huh.
That's a rip-off. Wait, hold on.
This guy's just making millions on YouTube.
Yeah, he's just
and
making
he's putting
literally millions.
AFV.
He's like 2 hours of try not to laugh. Yeah, we already did laugh in the 90s when AFV was on and we laughed about it.
Like, it's such a cute cat.
We didn't laugh about any of this crap, though. We laughed when it was like some little kid hit his dad in the nuts.
This
know?
is
That was
literally
the funny
all
shit.
animals. It's been, and people
Ooh,
bowling.
Big booty chick.
It's been
eating
two
shit.
people bowling, and then the rest is dogs and pigs. And
Yeah, look at
horses
how
and shit.
hilarious this dog is running through the snow.
By the way, thanks Tay Zonday for the intro.
Oh, yeah, and thank you,
Thanks
Tay
to
Zonday.
Tay. Well said, Tay.
Good one, Tay.
Thanks for the intro.
We gotta have him on more often.
We should just have a bunch of people who do intros from now on, like a different person for
Yeah.
like every episode.
Like fucking Tom Bergeron, dude. That'd be a good one.
Yeah, we could
That'd
probably
be a
get
hella
him.
good one. And she falls.
Ass fuck visuals. That's what AFV stands for.
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably in Sacramento. Guy swinging on the river and he biffs.
That does look... Oh, no, that doesn't look like Sacramento.
Anyways, fuck that. Ellen DeGeneres. Anyways.
Does she do that?
It's yeah, you know how like the production company flashcards at the end of an episode? It'll be like, sit, Ubu, sit.
I've never watched anything with Ellen in it besides like...
Ellen DeGeneres'
Finding
show
Nemo
ends
and
with her
Finding
going,
Dory.
anyways, and it shows her Converse.
You watch Ellen DeGeneres?
No.
What?
I've never
How do
seen
you know
Ellen
this?
DeGeneres.
Why do you...
I have a sister and a mom that I grew up.
They watched Ellen?
I mean, a lot of her entire generation.
Oh,
See,
Mama
now
went
who's
down.
laughing
Okay,
at the
I'm saying
AFV
that.
bullshit?
Yeah, okay, I did laugh. That wasn't even an animal. That was a mom with her baby.
That was a danimal.
Yeah, that was a
It
damn.
wasn't even an animal. It was a damn animal. Damn.
Damn. Shit,
Animals with
old
big
ass.
butts.
Big old thick animals. I had to delete a bunch of memes today because I'm running out of space on my phone.
You have like a shit ton of memes on your phone.
Yeah, dude.
Saved.
Literally. I mean, the file was like 800, but those weren't all memes.
You're like, I've been building a meme bot.
Yeah. Well, I just save them and then I never delete them because I'm lazy as fuck. Yeah, I deleted 381 pictures altogether. Not just memes, but... So it's probably about 300 memes.
I ate 381 pictures for breakfast
I have 166 memes left.
and 13,000 naked pictures of yourself.
I just thought that was funny as fuck.
Gay Hitler.
Yeah. Well, I was thinking about that episode where we talk about like once Hitler like died, Germany just kind of like went gay for a minute. You know what I mean?
Oh,
like
yeah,
they
they
were just
did.
like
Right.
not for a minute. I mean, like kind of permanently.
Yeah, they're still gay from that.
Yeah, they're super gay over there.
The aftermath of it, they're like, fuck
And that's
you,
a good
Dad.
thing, really. I mean, it's better than racism. I mean, it's
Yeah.
good. It's.
I'm like, yeah, no, it's not.
I'm like, barely. It's barely better than racism. No, I'm just kidding.
I love me some racism.
I love me some gay sex over there in Germany. They
Gee,
got
I
the
don't know.
best gay sex.
What's better, gay sex or racism?
Guy's like, woo! Yeehaw, brother.
Vote for me.
Vote for me for town mayor.
What if it was the residential election instead of the presidential election? They just like pick the next resident to live in the U.S. They're like, we're picking America's next
It's like an
resident.
immigrant.
Yeah,
It's like a game
the
show
next
with immigrants.
resident of the United
Bring out
States.
the immigrants. They gotta do like a bikini mod, like.
Regis Philbin hosts it.
Yeah.
Did he die?
I think he did die.
Yeah, I think he died.
Yeah, because otherwise you'd see him in
Rest
shit
in
or hear
peace.
about him.
Condolences. Regis.
Regis. You remember we talked about this a couple episodes
Regis.
ago too, like Regis. If you
just
think
go
they're
back.
dead, then you pretty much just assume they're dead.
Yeah, most people are dead these days.
Yeah. A lot of people I've noticed are dead. I just noticed that recently.
More people are dead than
Yeah.
alive. Just know that.
I just like noticed a lot of dead people.
Dead people of all
I
different
see dead
shapes and
people.
colors.
Austin.
You know,
I see dead people.
it's crazy. I mean,
What if you were Bruce Willis
we
and I
could
was
just
like
die.
the little kid that saw ghosts? And that was our dynamic.
I'm Bruce Willis?
Yeah, I'm crowning you Bruce Willis for
Damn.
this one.
Thanks. Yeah, I'll take
True
it.
honor.
I mean,
And I'm the little boy that's like, I see fucking dead shit all over the place.
Yeah, and I'd be Bruce Willis, so I wouldn't even be thinking
You
about
know,
it.
you're
I'd
just
probably
like, dude, I'm
leave.
Bruce Willis.
I'd be going off doing other
You're
shit.
like, I have no fucking clue what you just said. I'm
Fuck
Bruce
you,
Willis.
kid.
I'm out of here.
They'd be like, yeah, we're gonna go smoke a fucking cigar.
Go Christmas shopping, get Christmas turkey.
Yeah. The Ben Stiller Show or something like that. I think that's what it was called.
Really?
The Ben Stiller Show.
He kind of lucked out on not
He's had
having
a
one of those
show?
shows that are like just some cheesy sitcom then, you know?
What are you saying? He's lucky his show didn't catch on?
Well, I mean, yeah, have you seen the Pauly Shore show?
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
I never did.
terrible.
Tom Green Show.
There's a
though.
lot of
Pretty good.
those shows where it's just like they become like it's like them in some household setting, you know what I mean? And it's like really weird, you know? And
Max X. It just showed like people getting fucked up, and it like counted it down.
Max X.
They're like today's top 3 in the most extreme situations, and it showed some guy on like a
yeah.
speedboat like crashing into another speedboat, and they would like loop it like 40 times,
They're like, wasn't that extreme? That's like the Harold and Kumar dude.
and they're like, but everyone was safe. Yeah, the Mountain Dew Bros.
A
Hosers.
couple of hosers.
You ever been to Canada?
You know I haven't.
I don't know. You assume all
do.
these things that I know about you.
Okay.
Like
Maybe
I
you
wrote
just
your
don't
fucking
listen.
biography. You're like, I told you 50 times I've never gone to Canada.
I've told you so many times about how much I don't want to go to Canada.
You don't want to?
No, I do. I hella want to.
It's
I want to go to
beautiful.
Toronto, honestly.
Same. I mean, yeah, I want to go to just more of Canada. I've only
Yeah.
been to fucking British
Like,
Columbia.
the more the Canada, the better.
The merrier. Canada.
Canada don't, maybe.
Why not?
I
The
know that
snow?
you've been to Canada, and that's where you're going with that. So what do you want to say about
And
Canada?
that's where I'm going to die, and my
I've been to
grave will
Mexico.
be-
Have you been to Mexico?
No, I really want to go to Mexico.
Okay, well, there you go.
I want to climb up one of them pyramids and just look into
Oh,
that
fuck
sun.
yeah. I wish I did that too. My grandma took me to Tijuana, dude.
Well,
I
that
actually
doesn't
don't
even
know if it's
count as
Tijuana. I
Mexico.
just remember being like not very far into Mexico.
It was probably TJ.
Yeah, it's def TJ.
I mean, that doesn't even count.
I remember the candy. I was so mad because there was no just normal sweet candy. All of it had chili powder on it.
Oh yeah, that's fucked.
It was hella fucked. I was like, can I just have
It makes
some
you
sweet
appreciate
candy?
the fucking candy in America.
USA. Well,
Yeah.
no, there is places. I think it was just because I was in a touristy place that they probably did that, you know? Because I'm sure there's hella sweet fucking Mexican candies, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to generalize them, but like Mexico loves sweets, you know what I mean? Like fucking
Except all their sweets taste like ass.
they come out with pastries. Nah, you just gotta find the right ones, man. Like,
I'm just too damn American.
yeah, you're too damn.
I need like
no, not really.
chocolate covered ice
It's just
cream.
like, I mean, you gotta really fucking, you either gotta know somebody or you gotta.
if you want the
Seriously.
sweets.
If
Yeah.
you want the good sweets from Mexico,
Yeah.
there's a lot of good ones. But I just mean like,
I'm not going to get. I'm not. If I want to decide
I mean, I
what
can
country
give you
am I
some.
going to get sweets from, I ain't going to Mexico.
you're not going to Mexico. We'll go to 7-Eleven down the street.
No, but
and
if
I'll get you
if
some
I
good
was to pick
fucking
from any country's cuisine of sweets, I would probably pick Swiss
Japan.
chocolate. Switzerland? Is it Swiss?
I think it's Swatcher.
Swedish chocolate? No, it's Swiss.
Swaziland.
Yeah, Swazi chocolate. They make the best damn chocolate I ever had.
like Jolly Rancher kind of candies, or maybe like chewy kind of candies
Oh yeah.
that are like fruit flavored,
Oh yeah.
I'm going Japan.
Probably.
Head over heels.
They got those pokey things. Pokey.
I was like, those pokey things. What the fuck are you talking
That
about?
could be
And that's
anything.
like, those are like chocolate. And I guess they have
Those are
fruit
just
flavors,
sticks
but
of chocolate. Or no, sticks with chocolate on them.
yeah. So you're still talking about chocolate. I'm talking about like other kind of
Yeah, who has good chocolate?
Switzerland, man.
That's it. Yeah.
But duh,
America.
But I
and
mean, like,
Switzerland.
yeah, and it
France.
is Swiss chocolate. People call
France.
it well, France. France.
Chocolate, France.
France.
All français.
En français,
They do cheese good.
chocolat.
Le chocolat. But they eat snails too, and then they
They're fucking freaks, man. Fuck the French. No.
Why is that a French thing to eat shitty food?
I think I'm like pretty damn French.
They eat
Let
caca
them
for
do
dinner.
whatever the fuck they do. I'm not gonna kiss a French woman, anyways. I'm just kidding. I probably would.
Je
They do
m'appelle.
the hard boiled eggs with the birds in them too, right? They're the ones that like
bolete-
eat cock, right?
Boletes
And
or
like suck
something?
dick.
No, that's a type of mushroom.
Boletes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some boletes are edible.
Yeah, no, it sounds like that though.
Boletes are the ones with the like spongy underside.
I don't know my mushrooms, man.
Spongy gills, brother.
If I were in the wild, I'd die from mushrooms.
You die from mushroom poisoning? You're like, dude, maybe I could trip out on these. That'd be sick. That's all you're thinking about. You're not thinking about like surviving on them. You're just like, oh man, I could
I
trip
could
out.
probably trip harder on these ones. As
And
keep
then just
eating
like
more mushrooms.
being lost.
Maybe I wouldn't be lost if I was high.
It'll give me a sense of direction, and then I can stumble my way out of here.
At least I'll be having a good time. You ever been to a real life volcano?
I have, yeah.
Yeah, I guess I have too.
Mount Lassen.
Yeah, what, you went up to the mountain?
Yeah.
Like to the top of Mount Lassen?
I wouldn't say the top.
I mean,
What do you mean? Like go see the lava?
You never get a chance to look in it. You look, looking down in a volcano. That's what I meant.
Yeah.
I've only done that maybe once, if that. It was CinderCon, which is like a bullshit volcano. It's like an old one, It's like a little guy.
Yeah.
But it's actually pretty badass.
Super badass.
Volcanoes are badass, dude.
Volcanoes are badass. I like the sulfur pits around them too. That's just tight.
Yeah, the rainbow coloring. Like, what in God's name causes that? Like, he just thought, God just was like, let's make rainbow pools.
God's fucking gay.
Yeah, he's like, we're
God's
gonna
hella
make
gay,
this
dude.
part rainbow
Everything
pools,
rainbows.
and they're gonna be hot springs,
They're gonna be so hot.
and we're gonna put deers,
Cute little
Moose.
deers and chipmunks all around it.
big scary bison,
Ooh,
bears,
be careful. Bears,
big scary grizzly bears,
big old bears everywhere.
big hairy bears.
Silverback gorilla. I think that's the best fucking
Gay term,
gay term. Yeah,
gay slang.
gay slang.
Who's right? Who's thinking of all these gay slang terms?
We should start a website called gayslang.com.
Because there's so many gay
have
slang
a
terms.
fat list of gay terms. Have them all
I
categorized.
can't really think of that many. Bear, silverback gorilla, twink, yeah.
But I mean, you could use so many things.
Fur baby.
Sub, bottom,
That's not just gay
top.
though.
Bottom is pretty exclusively gay, kind of. You know what I mean? If you're describing yourself
Yeah,
as
it's
a
more of like
bottom,
yeah.
if you're a woman, it's pretty implied. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Unless
in
you're a
in
strap-on type.
heterosexual relationship.
Or if you're a trans woman, you know,
Yeah, imagine a heterosexual relationship though where the roles are flipped.
where
the chick
woman's
is
on
the
top.
dom, yeah, and she just fucks the dude in the butt all the time.
That sounds cool to
He's
me.
like,
Sign
"Ooh,
me
fuck
up.
my ass."
As long as it's a woman.
She's like, sure thing, babe.
As long as it's a woman.
As long as it's a woman fucking you in your ass. You're
Yeah.
cool with it.
Oh no, I want one of those
I don't
queers in
want
my
no gay sausage in my butt.
Just a lady with a big fat black dildo on. I should just bring over a bunch of DVDs I think that you would want to watch. And
Have we
pay
talked
for you
about
to watch
Principal Prickly yet on this podcast?
No, but that's the one
It
for
seems
recess,
like an
right?
important, yeah, it's like an important topic, you know?
That's weird because I just joined the fucking recess meme group on.
Oh,
Facebook.
nice.
Yeah,
Is
it's
it like
hella
a
good
shit
one.
posting page?
Yeah, I just
Finster
joined that.
posting.
I'm pretty much like just flooding my entire timeline with like group meme pages, so that I don't have to like face
I
real
hardly even
people.
fucking go on Facebook, dude. You kidding me,
Where do you
motherfucker?
think I get all my memes from, bruh?
You think I use fucking Facebook for? No, I do. I go on it, but
It's where's
It's
the
minimal.
memes? That's
Yeah.
literally the only reason why I go on there.
for real.
Memes.
Anyways, Principal Prickly,
Mm-hmm.
he's all
It's a prick. That's funny.
fuck you, kids.
You fucking asshole kids.
I was a teacher once. You know, Liam Neeson was a teacher and he socked one of his students in the face.
Did he?
Yeah, that's for real. He was a substitute. He was a sub, put it that way.
Yeah, that
And
makes a
then
lot more sense.
He got real angry at the class his first day and he socked a kid right in a 15-year-old.
the first black bastard he saw.
Right? Yeah, they
That
didn't
was
disclose the
first.
race. No, I think he was super young. It was before his acting career, that's for sure. When he socked
Yeah.
a kid in the face. He doesn't have a very good
It's
track
usually
record.
before your acting career that you do something like that.
Is it? Or is it at the end and you don't
I think
work
it's
again?
before, during, and the whole, just all your
Yeah, he
life.
probably
because
punched 15-year-olds fucking throughout his
from
entire
when he was
life.
15 up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Probably when he was younger.
I don't know. I'm sure he likes to pick on people that are smaller.
Yeah,
than
you
him.
only punch down when you're Liam Neeson.
Yeah. your hits are only
don't punch
directed
up.
downward.
He sucks the teat of the people above him until he gets there, and then he punches down. I don't know why I'm just dissing Liam Neeson.
I was
so hard.
thinking
But
about
he doesn't
what
have
if
a good track record, you know.
what if Fallout 3 was like, this is got really horrible, but like, what if Fallout 3, it's like about this dude who's trying to get his son out of a vault to like find the first black bastard that he saw and like beat him with some Irish club.
That's like Fallout Ireland.
Fallout Liam. He's like, wake up, son. Wake up.
Oh yeah, he's in it.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
He's the voice of the guy in the game.
Wake up, son.
Wake up, you little black bastard.
You little black bastard.
I'm gonna beat you with a fucking.
We gotta get out of this vault
Shovel.
and go find some gays and beat them.
Yeah, he beats down on people. What's up with that?
I don't know, man. It's just a hateful Irish in him, I'm sure.
You think is that fair?
I'm gonna just go on a limb and say yeah on this one.
That's a fair verdict.
Yeah, I think we could close this case.
Liam Neeson is a racist Irishman.
And he's just hateful because of
Deal.
how Irish he is.
Done dealio.
He's hateful just like all other Irish people. Ever.
There you have it.
There you have it. I mean, it is kind of known that Irish people don't really care for gays or really other races that much.
Is that a thing?
Yeah,
Oh,
lots
I heard
lots of foreign
something like
countries have
that.
gay problems.
I don't know. I heard something about some Irish like bar having some racist shit go down.
I mean, yeah. Oh, was it the
Like
one in
every
Reno?
St. Patty's Day. Yeah, it was that one. I think. Yeah.
That's like it's weird that how close to fucking like I'm sure I've
How
hung out with
close to
people,
home
you
it
know?
hit. You know, I brought my shillelagh to the bottle.
Well, okay, so check this out. I'm pretty sure
I'm
I
like,
went
what
there
side were you
underage.
on? You're like, I brought me shillelagh
I brought my
to the streets of Reno. I'm like, who were you standing up for?
No, I'm
What side
not
did-
standing up for these people. That's what I was saying.
I know.
I'm saying that I've been there a bunch of times and I've hung out with a lot of people that are like, oh, I go to this place all the time. You know, my sister went there a lot. I mean, she's
was
the
the
one
bar
that took me
called?
there. Shays. We're just
You're
going to
like,
put them on
shit
full
grittery?
blast now. For people listening out there, don't go to Shays in Reno. Do not go there.
More like
Gaes.
Gaes.
Gaes. Yeah, it's definitely Gaes.
because that does them justice. That makes them sound
Yeah,
better.
that make it
That
cool.
makes them sound good. That makes them sound like a fun gay bar.
So basically, the owner of
We're
Shays
gays.
was hanging out with
That should be the name of a gay bar.
Gays.
Gays. Why
I
don't they
think
just
it's a little too obvious.
a little too on the nose?
Yeah.
I think it sounds great.
Plus, it sounds like a place that's gonna take in a lot of hate.
Welcome to Gays.
Welcome to Gays.
Hi, we're gays. Welcome.
We're gay. You're in Gays.
Side note, we're gay.
And in case you're wondering, we're gay.
You're like, oh shoot, I didn't know. I came in thinking this
thought-
was just a restaurant.
Is this? Do you guys serve food or?
Thought it was like a buffet style.
We
thing.
do serve food. We're also
we
gay.
do.
He's like, okay.
It's all David Spades everywhere. It's actually pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay, guy blow.
Welcome
Red shirted ass.
Yeah, I'd go to Gays.
I'd go to Gays for
Nah.
sure. If they had some like good
I
mozzarella
don't know,
sticks
actually.
and some like hella bomb jalapeno poppers,
I'm there.
yeah, I'm flying in. What if they served it like
That's
two
the old
poppers,
Hooters method.
two poppers
They
and
just
one
Copy Hooters
mozzarella stick?
format. So it looks like a dick.
Yeah, a
And
dick.
then they fuse them together in the deep fryer.
Yeah. Well, yeah. All you'd have to do is put them
Yeah.
together in there,
Yeah,
like
with a little
maybe
bit of,
thaw them
like,
out a little bit, and then
Starch.
fucking fry it up. Oh, that'd be sick, dude. Because that'd be
Yeah.
hella good too. It tastes good.
I'm like, okay, man, whatever you say.
I'm like, fuck you, man.
Like,
That'd
man,
be good.
so good.
It'd be so good. Oh my
Dick-shaped
god.
mozzarella.
And then all that
sticks.
cream would just burst in your mouth when you take a bite. Mm-mm.
It's our cockzarella pop.
Mozzarella, yeah. I like that a lot.
And balls.
Dude, we should be writing this down. Why aren't we writing this down?
Because we're recording it.
Oh yeah, duh. We
point.
never have to write shit down again. Nice.
Remember that?
Yeah, dude.
Carlos.
I
Wouldn't see
still
it.
hear that places
What?
at like work. Yeah, of people that like haven't grown up since that era.
You mean that like haven't seen television since that era? It's been a lot of shit since then.
No, they're watching like Game of Thrones and shit right now. Fucking.
Oh, Game of Thrones. I roll to that one.
Yeah, they got their cocks and their balls.
Game of Thrones.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, careful, buddy. You're playing with fire.
I had it all the way. Fucking
You're on
screwed up.
thin ice. You're playing with
I
fire.
was
You're
literally
melting the
playing with
ice
my
with the
fingernail.
fire that you're playing
My
with.
nails.
What?
Just look how nice they are.
Oh, okay. They're fine, yeah.
Like the
You never had normal size nails?
Huh?
You never have like normal size nails?
This is normal?
Yeah.
I thought this was like girlishly long.
Well, yeah, actually, yours are pretty long. On that hand, especially.
Hello.
You got your pimp hand strong, huh?
Oh yeah, dude. I actually did grow out my coke nail once, but
Did you use it?
no, I never used it. And also, I figured out that
Yeah, your cuck nail?
at a certain length, it just starts breaking because I just do too much shit with my hands. So
We're not dainty
I was
women.
thinking about getting it gold plated though.
A gold-plated nail.
Gold plated pinky nail. Would that not be the flyest shit ever?
I honestly didn't know they did that.
Oh no, just me. I would be the only one who have ever done that.
You like dip your finger in molten gold.
Yeah. I'm like, yo, nice.
Looks great.
Now I can really slap
It's
a
just
bitch.
fucking black from like being melted and burned. Your bones like exposed. You're like, looks great.
Looks great. Well, actually, they do make gold nail polish. That's real gold.
Yeah, that's not the same. It's not custom
But
fitted.
it has gold. Right. No, see, I could do that though. See, what I would do is I grow it out to a certain length, and
Well,
then
actually,
they find a way to.
They probably got just actual solid gold nails that stick
Well, you
on.
could just glue gold on your shit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but that'd be kind of gay.
It'd be like probably like a fake nail that's gold.
So you want to get
But-
nails done?
No, I'm not trying to get my nails did.
Well, you want one nail did.
I don't want my nail did.
If you want one
Here's
nail
what I
done,
want, and
in
listen close.
I want 4 grams of gold on one nail.
I want my shit to be. What I essentially want is to be dipped in gold.
Your entire body.
My entire body. And then I'd be...
Trust the Midas touch. Is Midas still around, that company? I haven't seen their commercials in a while.
Midas! They might have gotten bought out or something. I don't know.
They probably got stomped on in the financial crises. They probably got Me Too'd. They got canceled. Meineke got canceled.
Yeah, Meineke got canceled.
Midas and Meineke had a battle and they canceled each other. They canceled out. Are those like tire companies or what? Midas?
Wait.
Meineke? The more you think about them, the weirder they sound, you know? The Golden Goose.
Golden Goose. I'm sorry, I'm doing a podcast over here real quick.
Sorry, I'm recording another podcast for a different
while I'm doing this one.
I'm with another friend via Zoom.
Anyways, what are you guys talking about?
Anyways, online friends, how are you? Daddy's home. You heard that Drake song?
Oh, this guy fucking shut the fuck up.
Okay, geez, I'll shut up.
Not you. This dude on the phone.
You ever hear that Drake song, Daddy's Home?
Yes, I have.
What's up with that? Are we gonna call him out?
Are we gonna call him out on the fact that he was texting 14-year-old girls
Was he?
Yeah.
Drake.
Drakey boy.
He's a
Drake. I mean, dude, he's part of the Illuminati. That's what they do.
Yeah, why am I surprised?
Drinkers,
yeah. I mean, he was in that latest David Blaine special. If you're
There's
in that
a latest David Blaine special?
Yeah, I mean, it was like a couple years ago, but you know what I mean? It had all the celebrities, and all the celebrities in it were definitely Illuminati.
I do remember
it was like Will Smith, Kanye West, fucking the dudes from Breaking Bad, like the main actors.
Yeah,
like hella mainstream ass people.
It's funny to kind of almost think that the Illuminati would be like pick like the most famous person from like each category of thing. You know what I mean? Like,
it's funny that I know exactly how they operate, and this is how they conduct.
How I can see right through them. It's like it's so fucking obvious.
It's so obvious, like all this Illuminati stuff.
No, but I mean, like
look at a fucking dollar. I mean, come on. There's a pyramid. Come on.
In theory, they would have picked. All these people are of like all these different categories, you know what I mean? There's like not even just music, but like different genres of music. And then there's like all these different sports, like skateboarding and fucking, you know.
What are you getting at though?
That the Illuminati would pick like basically the most paid one from each from sport or genre of music and shit like that. And then like fucking
from all across the board.
Recruit them into their thing. I think it's also just a thing of like once you earn enough money. But I think there's some people that are on the lower end of the money spectrum that are still, you know, because there's
illuminated.
Bezos. Yeah. But then there's like the millionaires that I'm sure are in it, you know, just the normal millionaires.
And Bezos is like fighting off all the Illuminati. He's like, fuck all you guys. I don't want a part of it.
Yeah, he's like
actually a hero.
He's like a hero. He destroys the Illuminati from the inside, and
they're like writing hella bad shit in the media about him. They're like, he's going off into space. He's killing babies.
Well, there's a certain side that
didn't he build a clock that was supposed to last like 200,000 years or something in like a mountain?
Is that him?
Yeah, it was like a giant pendulum.
And what, did he just never finish it?
No, they built it.
They did finish it? Yeah, I think I watched a video of them finishing it, actually.
It's supposed to last like forever. Till the end of time.
Well, that's pretty sick, though, right?
That's way sick. That's a dope way to spend your money. Make a monument to time that's going to last forever.
That.
And it's in one of the spots of the earth that like doesn't change throughout time.
That's the longest. Yeah. That's dope. See, because that's like what they did with the pyramids and shit, you know? I mean, the pyramids are dangerously close.
Bezos is goddamn Tut.
Yeah, okay, we're going there.
Bezos is our Tut, bitch. I mean, I don't think Tut was like some genius. He was some 19-year-old clubfoot bastard.
He was like a retarded incest baby, for
make
sure.
Make my buildings.
Make it go big. I like when it pointy and shiny.
I don't think he had anything to do with any construction of buildings. He just had a nice tomb.
Which is uncommon.
Pun intended.
Pun intended.
Toot uncommon.
Toot uncommon.
A little toot uncommon.
His Tut was uncommon.
His dad was the rich boy. I forgot his dad's name, but his dad was way uglier too.
Gone too far.
They were both fucked up, club-footed.
Anyway, I was actually just reading about that. Good thing I was reading a book the other day, huh?
You're a liar.
I was reading a
Never
book,
read
and it had all these cool words in it, and I was like, "This is sick."
Did you put them together?
And in
your head?
Made a bunch of sentences that made paragraphs, and I would flip the pages.
That's where I get bad at sounding them out, so I just give up.
You have to sound out
Each word, right?
You have to sound them out. Today, Junior. Oh,
Rizzuto.
I was reading in a book, and it was cool.
I was reading a book.
You
were talking about Egypt. You were reading about Egypt.
I remember exactly what I was talking about. I was just doing a bit.
Have you ever heard of this comic book called The Underwater Welder?
I have not. What is that about?
It's
Wait, can I guess what it's about?
Yeah.
You're gay. No, I'm just kidding.
How'd you know?
The Underwater Welder. I'm assuming that you're talking about Jar Jar Binks.
What? You're saying Jar Jar Binks?
Jar Jar Binks
was an underwater welder.
Yes. For Gargan City or whatever. Gargle City.
For the Gorgonites.
Yeah, for the Gorgonites.
Why the fuck wasn't he a Gorgonite?
Jar Jar?
Yeah.
He would have made a good Gorgonite.
Yeah, he would have been a damn good Gorgonite.
That's a great fucking movie, man.
Yeah. Send him off on the boat.
On DVD also.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
Hey,
you got a hell of a collection.
Yeah,
man.
I do. It's sick, dude.
Yeah, what are you gonna do with all that?
Nothing, because I literally have seen them all so many fucking times that I can't watch them. I'll sit there and look at my pile, and I'll be like, I don't want to watch it anymore.
You're like, man, fucking Finding Nemo again.
I actually don't have Finding Nemo.
Oh,
I have Finding Dory, but it's on my phone.
I actually never saw that.
I purchased it on YouTube.
I never saw Finding Dory. Is that good?
No. But my son loves it.
I thought you said you didn't watch anything involving Ellen.
I literally said except for Finding Nemo and Finding Dory.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah.
wow. I missed that.
Yeah,
I
told you you're a bad listener.
What are you, my girlfriend?
Yeah. No, it's a joke because it's a recurring thing. But
I'm just a bad listener.
You're just a bad listener, okay? Dookie ball nut sucky. So what's who's the aquatic welder or whatever?
Oh yeah, the underwater welder.
Yeah. Underwear welder.
Yeah, who's the aquafire dude?
Who's the aqua velvet faggot?
So it's this comic book about this dude, and he's like a welder for a living. He has to dive and weld shit, and he keeps going. Like, he has just a passion for diving. So even when he's not working, he'll dive down and shit, and he'll like take his son with him.
Weld a couple fishes together, just for his own amusement.
Yep, that looks right.
That looks perfect. I'm fixing all of God's mistakes.
And he like finds, there's like a time where he like finds like a pocket watch.
Mm-hmm.
And he's like tripping out, and when he sees it, he like has this flashback of like I think it's like another life of his. Throughout the story, he's talking about his dad and like how he's got all these like kind of personal problems because he's like, or his dad had died when he was a kid, and he was like kind of traumatized from it. And it ends up being this whole fucking loop of events where it's like he's his dad or some shit like that. It's like some crazy fucking time loop. Like when he goes and gets his... I actually never finished it. I haven't. But it's fucking tight. What about Where's Waldo? Let's give it up.
Yeah.
Round of applause for Where's Waldo, everybody.
I thought you meant give up on it.
No, it's like one of the best.
I'm gonna have to disagree. I think as a kid it's cool, but then when you grow up, you're like, I'm just looking at a bunch of stupid shit.
I feel like it's like
true.
If you look close, it's probably really racist.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of it. There's some dude with like big old,
like a dude fucking a goat.
Yeah, that guy was fucking a goat, and Waldo had like a big beard.
I mean, I don't know how that's racist, but racy, I guess. I guessed. Yeah, Waldo,
you're like, I
though,
just guessed where Waldo was.
he's kind of sus. Like, he's hiding from you, and he's like, looks like he just got out of some kind of clown jail.
Yeah, he's going to clown jail,
Yeah.
or like to bed or
Like his
something. I don't
hat,
know what the
yeah.
fuck he's going for.
He's like, I'm just a fucking saint. I'm just a saint from the Bible, walking through your dreams. He's like the Sandman.
He's wearing a very sus outfit. Maybe he's like escaped
He's
prison
got
or
jeans
something.
on too, like sneakers and jeans, and then he's got weird
He
prison
does.
top half. Well, who thought of his story though? What's his story, Waldo? Like, is he on the run? Why is he hiding?
I can honestly give a fuck less about Waldo.
But I mean, he's a staple.
Like I
in my
said,
childhood.
the book was not, like, looking back on it, not very good.
What if there was a book that was just "There's Waldo" and it's just a picture of his face on the page?
Yeah, each and every page
He's
is
just
just full
staring
body
at you.
him.
And then like the further you get in, like the more he starts to look serious, and then he by the end
Or it's
of it,
like
he's
an
just
arrow or like
staring
a
at you.
finger pointing. It's like the same thing, but it's just like an
Yeah.
arrow. It's like, there's Waldo. And there's Waldo. Like, neat.
Like, wow, what an expensive book for
No, it
such
was a better one
shitty
than that.
concept.
iSpy. That was a way
Oh,
better
yeah,
book.
that was like same concept but way better.
Yeah, because they would have like different little
And it was a
It was
photograph every time.
Yeah.
It's like an HD photo. You're like,
fly
damn, this is
shit.
fucking
And
like
it'd be
a
some weird
big
shit,
ass
dude.
fucking-
It'd be some out there shit sometimes. It'd be like a hella creepy doll
How
right next
did
to
they
like a
do
train
that?
set and shit. That shit
How
was
did they
pimp.
take those photos? I think it was just like edited.
No, I think they're just really good at like mind manipulation. You know what I mean?
Because there was some shit where it was like perfectly in line with the other shit.
I think it's just well thought through. Because
But
I've
there was
seen
the
shit
ones
like
where
that.
they were in the air.
You ever see the one
remember?
where it's like a carpet in a hotel and they're like, find the blunt?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that kind of shit. You know what I mean? It's just like you just gotta angle it right and have the right.
But like
color
some of the
scheme.
shots they have, like it's like something's in motion and it's perfect. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like they had to have edited it a little bit.
I don't know.
I mean,
When did that come out?
Probably in the 90s.
You think?
Yeah.
Or you think that's just because we watched it a lot when we in the 90s? I mean, watched it.
Read it?
Read it, I guess.
Looked at it? Yeah, you can't really read an iSpy book. Well, yeah, I guess you call
There
it
is
reading.
words, so it'll be like, you have to find this and this and
Oh,
this.
yeah, there was like 7 things you have to find.
I'm like, that's how I passed the first grade.
I wrote a book report on iSpy. Like, I found the scissors.
I
found 6 eyeballs.
I went to a different first grade than most people, though.
Yeah, yours was a little smaller than everyone else's.
Yeah, it was just like a camper.
Yeah, it's kind of outside of the regular school.
Yeah. I remember the teacher being a very strange man. And I was the only student, which I also found weird.
And he taught you a lot about the human
Yeah,
anatomy.
he taught me a lot about keeping my mouth shut and not saying things to...
You've already said too much, huh?
Oh, yeah, shit. We keep in touch still.
Wait, what were we talking about, though? We were talking about...
iSpy books, that's what I was looking up.
Yeah, iSpy.
It might have actually came out in the 90s.
Yeah. I got my first edition iSpy books. Okay. And then there's a series of unfortunate events. Remember that?
Kind of like doesn't say. What the fuck is going on? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Remember them, hombre?
92, I think, is the earliest one. Do what now? What'd you say?
This series of unfortunate events.
Yeah, I actually really did read those books, and I actually
I
really
got
did.
through most of them, yeah.
No, it's funny. I did a book report on that, and I didn't even finish the book. My teacher could hella tell, but she was like, "I don't really know enough about the books to say that you're wrong, but it doesn't seem right."
You're like, and then the Juggalos drove into the volcano and the carnival exploded. They're like, sure,
She's
that's
like,
your book.
I don't know enough about the words you just said to.
I don't know what half of those words meant, but it sounded right.
So a couple
Sounded like a
jugtards
book.
went whoop whoop, and then they crashed their shit into a convention center that was also a gathering of juggalos.
More jugtars went whoop whoop.
whoop. She's like,
Chop, chop.
I don't know.
I kind of want to read that book.
Yeah, let me take a look at that book real quick.
You said this was Lemony Snickett?
Lemony Snickett's series of whoop whoop.
It's like the gathering of unfortunate events.
Yeah.
Lemony Snickett.
Oh man, that's good.
It's like just the
Gathering of
saddest fucking
unfortunate
event.
events. It really is. But you know what? They really genuinely have a good time and they're happy. So I don't want to shit on them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's for all those people out there that didn't get accepted with like the so-called normal crowd, you know,
Yeah.
and they're like, I still want to do me, you know, and then they do them.
Oh, so we are making fun of them.
No, I'm giving them
Okay.
power.
That's
I'm
not very
saying-
empowering. What?
Well, no, because it's like that's what it's all about. Like you don't fit in with the normal, like quote unquote, like
okay.
the mainstream.
I thought you were like mocking them.
No, like they don't abide by the rules. You know what I mean? They still want to do them.
Yeah.
And express themselves, even if it means throwing
Even
your
if it-
feces
even
at
if
a
it
window,
looks
you know?
completely retarded,
Even
and
if it means
disgusting
spray
and
painting
out
a
of
clown
place.
on your VW and then driving through a pile of mud.
Oh man, even if it means fucking morbidly
Morbidly obese snowman. Even if it means juggling human fecal matter while it's on fire.
yeah. Even if it
It's
means
always feces when it
juggling
comes to
some fat
Juggalo.
chicks' tits while you.
While headbanging to like Metallica, even though it's a Juggalo concert. What are they called?
That chick's fucked though, bro.
Einstein Clown Posse.
Yeah. Einsteinium clown posse.
The Einstein Clown people.
The idea of like
It's
them
I keep
thinking
saying
that they're out-
juggling jokes because it's like juggalos, you know. It's like they all juggle something.
They
you know?
they never juggle. None of them.
Yeah,
juggle.
why are they called juggalos if none of them fucking
Literally
juggle?
none of them juggle.
No, I think like half their event is about juggling, right?
No, when?
Because you know they're juggalos.
Name one ICP member that can fucking juggle.
And name one ICP member.
There's Tug Dong.
Tuggy Two Shoes.
There's a
Skivvy
Tug
V.
Butts. There's
No, it's Violent
Fart
J
Knuckle.
and Shaggy Two Dope.
Chuggy
Bitch.
Two Dicks.
I think there's only two of them.
Well, see, now you know. And I
Yeah,
don't.
man, I'll paint my fucking face up right now.
I paint my ass
Huh?
on like nothing.
I'll light my fucking porch on fire
My
right
mom's.
now. I'll light my tire on fire on my porch.
I like my mom's on fire.
On my mom's.
On mom's. You on my daughter? I would light my mom's on fire, dog. It's like, why are you
will put
sacrificing all
this
these people?
On my daughter.
I'ma
This
put-
fire, I will put it on my
That's
daughter.
on my daughter,
On my
dog.
mother.
On my. You don't have to do any of this to anybody.
You're going to put a fire on your daughter? This right here,
What?
on my mom.
What's on your daughter? You're like trying to figure
your
it out
mom
like he's
okay?
a dog. What's on your daughter? Excuse
What
me?
happened, boy? What happened?
What happened to your daughter?
What happened
Where's
to your mama?
mom's? Where's your mom's now? And what is on your daughter?
Sit down, boy. What
Sit
happened to mama?
I swear to on God, on my mom's, on my daughter, dog.
On the Father, the Holy Spirit.
And
On
the
God.
holy shit.
What if one of them was the brother? It's like Father,
no
the
brother.
Son, and the brother. You know, instead of the Holy
Classic
Ghost,
trio.
the Holy Ghost. Just get out of here. The Father, the Son, and the motherfucking brother.
And then that motherfucking.
That's what I'm talking about. Where's that trio at? If God was in the sky, where would he live? You know, what country would he float over?
I
he
would
be like?
imagine somewhere pretty cloudy.
Yeah.
Maybe Portland. Or possibly, I'm kind of imagining somewhere. It's
God's
over
just
Portland.
hanging out over Portland.
Yeah.
He's like, ooh, it's
That's
kind of nice.
where he is.
Kind of spacious here. I like it.
Everybody worships Satan, but I mean, the clouds are nice.
That's why all those cults are
Good
there.
coverage.
That's why people thought shit was coming behind Hail Bop, and then they killed themselves.
What?
The Heaven's Gate people.
That was important?
I don't know. It seems like it was, but I could be wrong.
I don't know. I feel
Seems
like,
like
a lot
some
of those
shit that
things-
went down in Oregon, you know?
Does it?
It does.
Really?
They died with Nikes on. That makes it sound more Portlandy, right?
That does make it sound a little
That's
Portlandy.
probably why I'm thinking it.
Yeah, that's true. But
I'm like, they were all Trailblazer Nikes. What's up with that?
when was it? When did this happen?
In the 90s is when they killed themselves.
Right. So,
but it started in the 70s.
That shit was a trip, man. I was thinking about going into the Scientology
Marshall
place.
Applewhite.
Because you know how the Scientology place is like right next to my...
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I pass by the door like every single day.
Do they give you a Thetan reading? A Thetan level reading?
A Thetan?
Yeah.
Thetan?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
I thought it was Thetan.
I don't know. You might be right. Thetan.
I thought you were saying like Satan with a Thetan.
Because it's like Thetan.
You know,
right?
Thetan?
Thetan's over here.
Thetan's gonna get you.
Scientology.
You keep playing with Thetan like that, he's gonna get you.
Thetan's in your blood. There's a bunch of Thetan in you.
They have like a little cafe and shit in there. That shit's nice, dude. I'm like, what are they even doing here?
Yeah, it's all just a scam, dude.
Yeah, but like, money for what?
Exactly.
But I mean, who's giving them money?
The people who go there. If you go there and you keep coming back, yeah, dude.
But I'm not gonna walk in there and give them money. I just want to ask them some questions.
That's how it starts.
Yeah. And then next thing you know, I'm giving them all my fucking money.
They're like, if we could just.
I'm not dumb enough to be like, oh, this sounds convincing. I've heard every fucking religion. I'm not gonna fucking.
Flash forward to next week. You're like, okay, so
there's
this guy
he
dropped a bunch of angels into a volcano, and that's
a
how
lot of
God
sense when you think about it.
That's how people got here.
I probably will next week. They'll be like, so here's what they said.
Yeah, you go check that out. Tell me what they say. Give us a report next week.
Super down.
I'm
kind of sound cool though to hear like what they have to say?
Probably gonna be boring
because.
Probably gonna be something stupid.
2 sides to every story, man, and I would love to hear their side.
They're
of the
probably
story,
gonna be like, if you give us $19.99, you can get a full reading, and then you'll be like,
I'm gonna walk in and just be like, hey, can you guys tell me anything about this, like, for free, essentially? Like, I'm not gonna.
They all just look at each other like, what do we tell them? Yeah, I think the Thetan readers are just like, it's literally just an electrical thing.
I can see that.
That's why it's Scientology, because it's all science. It's like we just measure electricity.
Yeah. I thought it was gonna be like a couple of like love-o-meter and things, you know what I mean?
They're like, did you just have sex or like hug a puppy? Because you got a lot of love going through your butt.
You must be like a Casanova type.
Like, are you a cat person? Because you don't have a lot of love. You don't have a lot of love in your butt.
Shows here that you're an incel.
We see a lot of hidden, repressed love. Are you an incel by any chance?
I just honestly can't. I just don't. Maybe it's because I just don't understand how incels work.
They're like, don't worry, we'll tell everyone it's on purpose that you're not having sex. We know it's on purpose.
It's on
wink,
purpose,
wink.
Right?
It's all right. We can see right through you on this Thetan reader. We know you're gay and an incel.
You know you're a gay incel. Just
you're a gay
$300.
You owe us for this reading. Your Thetans say you're a gay incel. Thanks. See you next week.
You're gay.
You can only fix it by coming back next week.
You can only fix being gay by converting to Scientology.
And it sucks because God said if you use credit card, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. Cash is preferred. It was weird when he said that. I was like, huh.
How do the Scientologists feel about gay people? Like, cool
I bet they're totally chill.
What about trans?
Not at all.
not fucking down with the trans.
No, I think they're chill with it all. Right?
I think, dude, when
they just want to better themselves. They're just selfish.
When I pass it and I see the people that like go in and out of there or like in there all the time, you know?
Mm-hmm. They look happy?
They look like they're bursting with joy. Actually, now that you mention it, they kind of don't. But they look like Mormons. They look a lot like Mormons. And they're all white, too. Like, I'm not seeing a non-white person.
I feel like I could see it being a really dope religion if you're going through a like manic episode. You know what I mean? You're like, oh shit, everything's connected. Oh fuck, I'm the center of the universe. Like and I can do anything. And then they like measure your Thetans and you're like, oh,
I got demons running all through me.
Like, no, we said thetans. You said demons?
Demon. Well, isn't that the thing? It's like the...
Oh, yeah, it's like electrical demons. I don't know. I don't know. What are thetans?
No, it was like when there was like bad souls that like went into our bodies or something like that.
Exorcise the demon.
Exorcise the demon out.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Because like each person has a certain amount of demons.
That's where the stress comes from.
Right.
I'm like, this is all making sense.
Yeah, yeah, let's just
I'm like,
clear
wait a
out
minute.
these demons.
That's where all the stress comes from.
You're like, I quit caffeine, I quit weed, I quit drinking, I quit everything.
I'm still stressed out.
I just need these demons out my
It's not
blood.
because my ex is trying to take everything from me. It's because of the fucking...
It's because the Father, Son, and the
the
brother.
aliens. The alien souls.
Alien incels.
The alien incels, yeah.
That's what the Scientologists should have called themselves.
If they described it like that, I'd be like, okay, keep talking.
Alien incel religion. I'm kind of into that.
Yeah, that sounds pretty tight, honestly. As long as I don't have to pay
Can I learn something? Do they know a lot? These incel aliens? What's that mentality?
Incel aliens. That's like a Outcast album. Incel aliens.
That's pretty good.
Thank you. Now I'm out of jokes.
Oh my god, that's as far as I can take
No,
that. That's as far as that one goes.
Yeah, let's just end this podcast. That was a good one. We could end it on that.
Oh shit, I had a good idea for something to watch in mind, but I totally forgot it.
Was it America's Most Wanted?
No, but that's pretty good.
'Cause I was just
that
thinking
always
about-
freaked me out when I was a kid.
Like if it was just Joe Walsh just describing
Is that
it,
his
you know?
name? Joe Walsh?
Or John Walsh. Sorry.
Oh, I was
John
like,
Walsh.
damn, it's just like the musician.
Yeah, just like the musician.
Life's been good to me so far.
Yeah, if it was just
Walsh,
that
right?
and no reenactments, that'd be weird.
Yeah, it freaked me out because they were always in the end of the episodes. They were like, and he's never been caught. He's the most wanted person alive.
Yeah, I mean, that's the idea.
And I was like, God damn it. Why don't I watch this?
Tonight we're going to hear about the little boy that got murdered and then...
Yeah, it's all fucked up. Wasn't he like didn't he start doing that because his kid got murdered? Yeah.
Man, I mean, shout out to John Walsh, man. That's like a genuinely good dude.
Like his kid got murdered? Is that what happened? Or was it like some other thing?
Yeah, no, his kid got murdered.
Damn.
Yeah, fucked. He
What
didn't
the
also
hell?
get fucked. That's a fucked situation.
Oh yeah, I know. I got you on that. Yeah, I didn't go there with that. And then he's just like, I'm going to dedicate my life to just finding unsolved mysteries.
And that's when Jose decided to leave town.
What if he just did unsolved mysteries instead? It's like not that impactful on society.
It doesn't help anyone.
Doesn't change much with like bad guys.
Yeah, because the whole point was that it helps.
It's like Chris
people find
Hansen
murders and
coming
shit.
in. He should be our next intro guy. We'll get Chris Hansen to do the next intro.
should we?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
don't
why
know.
not? Well, who else could we get?
Huh?
I mean, Chris Hansen's voice is just iconic.
He's like, here's a couple of predators.
Yeah, right?
That's how he opens the show.
He's like, up next on To Catch a Predator. These
Junie
fucking
and Austin.
podcasters. These fucking asshole podcasters.
These incel fucking podcast freaks.
These cheap pricks.
That show fucked me
cool.
up, dude. That's one thing
That-
that
yeah, that's another
literally
one that
fucked me up for
yeah.
life, dude.
Apparently, the first episode, they didn't have the cops arrest the dudes.
What?
Yeah, they just had the dudes
They just
show
let 'em
up.
go?
They never called the cops. They just had the dudes show up, and then they would just interrogate him and call him out, and then let him go.
I mean, I guess
And then
that kinda
after
makes
they
sense,
released the pilot, the cops were like, "Yo, call us.
You're gonna have to call us next time.
Could you
okay?
let us know when you're doing that?" They're like, "We know you're on the right side of this, but like, yo, give us a call."
Well, that's
They're
like,
like, we'll cap this motherfucker in the front yard before he even gets there. Yeah, and then remember all like how a ton of them were like, it it was just like right when he sees Chris Hansen, he would just book it.
But yeah.
And you're like, damn it. You're like hoping that Chris Hansen could talk to him for a minute.
I like the ones where he's like
sit
you
down.
could go ahead and leave, and then he kind of like just walks out, and then they just fucking
Yeah,
tackle
exactly.
the
It's
shit
like
out
they
of him.
get him, but like you want him to kind of talk for a little bit with Chris Hansen. It's totally
no, I mean like
unnecessary,
when he does talk to him, and then he's like, okay, like you could leave or whatever.
Yeah,
And then
he
they're
tells
like
them
kind
they
of
can
walking
go.
out, and then they still get tackled hella hard.
He's like, you can go. You're free to go. Hella just like fucking leads him on. He's like, go right through that door.
Go through that door and just kind of you want to
Step
run
on
at
that
a brisk pace.
button right there.
Brisk pace when you get up.
Step into this hole. The way they act is fucking like these dudes are just like fucking
A lot of them
at the
came back,
will
too.
of Chris Hansen at that point. They're like doing whatever he says. Like Chris Hansen could be like, get on your knees.
They'd be
Okay.
the like weirdly confident ones though too. He'd be like, so
yeah, those are the
you're not gonna
fucked-
fucking
that's
do
the
anything
ones
to me
where
and
you're
shit
like,
like that.
where you're like, okay, this guy's fucking.
Yeah, this is a big. But I think.
I mean, they're all
Yeah, I think a
fucked.
lot of it was set up. If I'm gonna be honest,
You think?
that's what I've heard.
I don't know, man. There was a dude who killed himself.
Yeah, but is that true?
Yeah.
What? Because you look it up and it says that it. I mean,
No, I saw an interview with Chris Hansen. He talked about it.
that more
I mean,
so makes
it
untrue.
just sounded real. The way he was talking about it, it sounded very real. Like a lot of
He's
this
an actor,
scenario.
though, right?
I mean, he's a journalist.
He's an actor.
He's an actor, yeah.
Yeah, and I mean,
It's his voice. He could say anything and people will buy it. He's like, I love you, honey. She's like, oh my God, you love me.
you love me. Yeah, he doesn't actually love his wife.
Yeah, he doesn't love his wife.
Calling you out, Chris Hansen.
No.
How does it feel?
Yeah, no, let's get him to do an episode intro. No, who else could we get to do the intro?
Somebody
Dolly
less
Parton.
expensive. What about this? What if I ordered food for you? Are you hungry?
Shit, not anymore.
Oh, what'd you eat?
Just a bunch of bread and cheese.
Come on, you don't want real food?
I mean, at this point, no.
I do.
It's just
know
too late.
The way I feel. You got me pooping my poo.
Were you singing that like a Legend of Zelda, like the rain song?
No, that's Drake. Fountains.
Like do do do.
How do you know that I am gay?
Do 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 do.
I have sex with lots of women.
All right, let's end this.